Welcome, ladies and disappointments. I'm just kidding. Welcome back. It's been so long since I posted, y'all. I feel so bad, but I am back. I'm here, and I'm doing well. I am doing awesome. So if you are new here, you already know what to do. And if you're not new here, it's nice to see you. It's nice to, hear from you. So, I can't really hear from you, but y'all get it. So let's get started with the video. So, as you guys can see by today's title, I'm doing some more makeup. Yay, so exciting. So, I recently got a new bag of makeup yesterday, and it's so crazy because it's like I literally just started investing in doing makeup or whatever because, like, why not, right? So, I got this little palette. It's a bunch of little makeup goodies. And then I had this palette that I've had for, like, years. I'm sure I posted, like, old content of me doing makeup. So I have decided to go all in and do some fun stuff because why not, right? So I'm going to be starting off, and I'm not real big on like makeup, as you guys probably know. I'm not big on it. So with this little goodie bag, we're gonna view some of the stuff, what we got in here, just for like a little, a little vlog or something. I don't know. So let's see what we got. I have a dramatic different hydrating jelly. I guess this is like for like after makeup or something, I don't know. And then I have, so I think like before I continue, I think the bad part about this whole thing, like with this makeup thingy whatever, is like I didn't get any brushes, and I like threw me out because it's like, how you gonna give me some makeup and no brushes? Like, oh, it just felt weird. So they're not weird, but it just felt like different because like what? Anyway, so I have that, and then I got some. That's not it. That's nothing. So I got some of this, some more face mint soap. Yeah. Put that over there. And then I got some, I don't know what that is. That's what I'm looking for. Some mascara. It's been so long since I wore some mascara. Just a little. But we're going to see what the eyelashes look like. What the heck? Okay. This is some makeup remover stuff. I didn't know they make these. I thought they made like just like the little pads or whatever they're called. Some lip liner. I can kind of tell this is lip liner or eyeliner. No, this is lip liner. Yeah, I don't know how to apply lip liner. I've always wanted to try it, so that's awesome. And then yeah, so we're gonna start off with applying. I have some more stuff over here. This is some foundation, regular foundation. Yeah. And I think this is some more foundation. This is like nurturing, so I guess it like helps like the foundation like sink in or whatever. So which one do I use first? So I guess I use this one first, and I go with this one. This is the same thing, y'all let me know, because I don't know nothing about makeup. I'm trying to learn, so this is the same, I think, but I'm going to use this one first. And then after I apply all the foundation, I'm going to use this one so it stays on. So, yeah. And then I got me a little beauty blender, but we're going to go out and get some more because I just feel like, yeah. So, for the girls, I got a question. How often do y'all keep y'all's beauty blenders before y'all buy new ones? Because I don't want to keep using the same I don't want to keep using the same beauty blender if it's going to, like, make my face break out a lot. So, yeah. So, let's get started. Okay. I'm kind of nervous. We're going to just try this and see how it goes. So, we're going to apply this first. Two. Okay, so. I kind of want to, like, I don't know. So, how's all my lovely fans doing? How's everybody's weekend? How's everybody's Easter? Anybody have anything planned? What do everybody do? I want to know. I feel so bad for not like uploading in like 3 months, you guys. I just never have the energy. I'm tired all the time. I work all freaking morning, so I just never available to do anything, which sucks. But I'm trying to get back on my YouTube. I'm trying to stay in contact with you guys, just keep you guys updated on my life. But it's like fudge, I just can't never do nothing. So, all right. So I feel like I'm applying this wrong, but I don't know. I guess we're gonna just wait until So I'm gonna just apply all this on my face and then come back to you guys. I guess when I'm done, or like yeah, yeah. Okay, so I just applied my first part. Now I'm gonna go in and apply this so it can stay on a little bit longer. Or if I can just like Ew. Okay. See how this goes. Oh, I can just feel the wetness on my face. Alright. Okay, so I think I like this better. Like, this looks better on, like, the mirror than it does on the phone, which I hate, but oh well. So, like I'm missing some spots. I feel like it, but I know I'm not. So I don't want to apply this in too many areas, because I don't really like. I don't know where I was going with that. So yeah, and then put some right here. Ooh. So yeah, this is what I'm looking. This is what I got. I look so pale on the camera. I don't like that. It's okay. I look pale. So I'm gonna just wrong one. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this, run this back. You know what I'm saying? Run this back, run this back. So I'm officially done with this, and then I am done with this. So now I'm gonna go all in and use my my makeup brushes, these lovely things. So I've been trying like heavy, pretty colors. I don't really like the dark. I mean, not the dark, but like I don't know. It's just hard to explain. Like I like more dark colors than light color. I feel like it just like it fits my skin tone better. But yeah. So I'm gonna use this brush. And we're gonna go in. This is what the palette looks like. It's so messy because I've had it for so many years, but this is what it looks like. So I'm trying to decide if I should use like a darker shade or like a lighter shade, but it's all dark though, you know what I'm saying? So I'm trying to decide. We're gonna go with this one right here. I'm gonna go ahead and apply it on the eyelids, obviously. Oh look, even hit my eyelash. Oh my god, you can't read. I can't see it. I hate it. I cannot see this. Like I can see it. Okay. So I'm gonna apply it right there. And then I think it's too light in here. That's probably what that is. It's probably just really, really light in here. Oh my god. So ladies that do makeup, how long does it take y'all to do your makeup? I wanna know. And for the guys, how do y'all feel about watching your girlfriends do makeup? Like, what y'all's opinion on women that wear makeup? And, like, how do y'all feel about women that do makeup? And how much money do y'all spend on women that wear makeup? Because I know I've seen, like, a lot of guys, like, go out loud and spend types of money on their girlfriends. So I've always wondered, like, how much money do y'all spend? Ladies, do y'all like it? You know? Yeah. So now, okay, so this does not look good on camera, but this looks really, really good in like the mirror, which I love. So now I'm going to go all in and apply my this lip liner thing I have. Oof, something is missing, but I can't figure out what it is. Okay, so I'm gonna apply. So I have this lipstick right here, but I'm not gonna use this one because I feel like I don't really like the way it looks. Like I don't like the, you know, yeah. And so I have these ones right here, which gives like, yeah, it's up there. So I'm gonna try to find. Oh look, this is what I was missing. Okay, this is what I this is what I was looking for. It's so messy, but this is what I was looking for. I was like, wait, I know I got it somewhere. I just couldn't figure out what it was. So I'm gonna apply this 3, and then this is what I was missing. I hope I'm doing this right. 3. Okay, and then beauty blender right here. Okay, I'm trying to apply this a little bit more. Yeah, here we go. I look so freaking silly on camera. I hate it. Okay. I don't think that was for the right part, but okay. So, I'm gonna go for like a cool color. So, I have these two. Wait, hold on. Let me try to like this a little bit more better. So, I'm trying to figure out which one I use. I really like, maybe it's just this one or whatever. Let me see, because I don't like. Okay, that's better. So, I'm trying to think. I'm going to go in with this one right here. I'm just going to see. So, ladies that use lip liner, are you supposed to apply this one first and then the lip thingy? Or do you apply this first and then this? We're going to just, I'm just going to apply this first and see how it goes. And then I'm going to apply the other one. So, wait, let me do something real quick. Let me remove some of this lip gloss because I don't need it. Okay, and now I'm going to apply this. So, yeah. When this like is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Ew, it smells like brownies. And then, I hope I'm doing this right. Okay, so I'm filling this color. And then I'm going to apply. Ooh, okay. I like the way that smells. I'm gonna taste it. So I didn't apply. Well, maybe I did. Okay, I did. So now I'm going to apply some of this on, and I have to really focus so I don't mess this up. So I'm going to use my other little mirror. Okay, anyways, and I'm gonna try this because, like, oh my gosh, okay. So, oh my god, how am I messing up? Maybe I was supposed to apply it. You know what? Hold on. Okay, so this is what I have. I low-key don't like this because, like, it looks too dark, but in person it's not that dark though. So it's throwing me off, but we're gonna just deal with it. So last but not least, I want to go in with some mascara, and we're gonna apply some eyelashes. See how long our eyelashes are, cause like, yay. So we're gonna see. So yeah. All right. So this girl that works at my job, she wore some of this, and her eyelashes were so freaking long. So I was like, we're gonna see. And mind you guys, I have not done my eyelashes in almost 2 to 3 years. So I just be hoping my eyelashes are so long when I apply mascara. I just never apply it. And then we're gonna see. Hold on. Okay. I don't know how I feel about this. Okay, so oh, how do y'all girls do this every day? Oh my gosh. Okay. Oh my god, I'm trying not to hit my freaking face. Alright, I feel like I'm not doing this right. Okay. And then, so I've seen some girls go like, they do like the little thing right here, like, or something. What's that? Maybe is that the wrong spot? I don't know. So I don't like this because, like, it looks so good in the mirror, but looks so bad on the camera. And I'm trying to figure out why it looks. I don't know. So I think I'm missing something. I feel like I'm missing something, but I can't put my finger on it. So I'm gonna try and figure out what it is that I'm missing, because I know I'm missing something. Let's see. Something just happened to my phone. I don't know what it was. And then, is it this one that I was? Another this one, I guess, right here. Yeah. I don't know, but yeah. So I'm gonna like stop recording, and I'm gonna go in like a different area and show you guys. Well, probably not. Okay. So I'm gonna show you guys from a different angle. So, oh, this is how it looks. I don't know, y'all. I'm liking it. Like, I'm digging it, but I'm not digging it. So I don't know how I feel about this. Ooh, I got it on my nose. Oof, that was not supposed to happen. So this is what it looks like. So I'm still learning, so don't pick on me. I'm literally still learning how to do makeup, but I think I'm getting there. I'm not too good with makeup, but I don't think I'm still learning. I'm still understanding it. So just comment below how you guys feel, what you guys think, what's your opinion. Let me know what I'm definitely missing, because I know I'm missing something in this whole thing. But yeah, next time I'm gonna do like a lighter color, not so dark. I'm gonna do something lighter because I feel like lighter would just look better on me. So yeah, that's about it. So if you guys like this video, please let me know. Hit that subscribe button if you're new here. And yeah, I love you guys so much, and enjoy your lovely evenings. Enjoy your days. That's the same thing as evenings. And if I do not get back with you guys before Mother's Day, happy Mother's Day to all the beautiful, lovely mothers out there. You're doing so good. So yeah, I like this on camera. Though. Look good. Now it looks good because like I can actually, you know. But yeah, I love you guys. Enjoy. And then please feel free to share this video. So if you do not do makeup, if you know nothing about makeup, please share this video to somebody who does do makeup so I can get some help and some support, because, yeah. So, I love you guys so much, and, yeah, bye. Oh, wait. No. Yeah, bye.